Hunter's Toy Channel!
Today we're looking at Smash and Crash Derby with Lightning McQueen as Chester Wimplefilter. This toy looks like a lot of fun. What do you think, Hunter?
Good.
Good? Oh wow. What all is happening here? All the toys are crashing into each other. And who's that?
Miss Fritter.
Miss Fritter. Ooh. The sign says Fritter Time. Miss Fritter's bursting through the sign. And Thunder Hollow Speedway. That ramp comes up and down.
Who's that?
I wonder what that's for.
Who's that?
Is that the Rambulance?
Dr. Damage.
The Rambulance. Dr. Damage. Dr. Damage. Let's get a closer look. Alright. Here's the track itself. Look at this, all these cages. They all bend and flex. That's pretty cool. You can shape it to any surface that you want. You can make it narrower, you can make it rounder, so it fits on the table. This looks pretty cool. What do you have there, Hunter? Miss Fritter. Do you need help? You almost have it. A little bit more. Good job. Ooh, Miss Fritter can be posed in an action scene, jumping right through It's Fritter Time, the billboard. Oh, there we go.
Oh.
There's the trigger to release the bottom. All right, let's reset her, just like she's touching down in the landing. Chester Wimplefilter enters the race. We have 2 oil drums and 2 stacks of tires. Do you want to race it, Hunter? Rev it up. Rev it up. Rev it like this. Give it a try. If we can manage to get it to hit. Oh wow. Let's try this, sweetie. If we can manage to get it to hit Miss Fritter, we can get Miss Fritter to do something. Oh, there we go. He found his way out. Found his way out of the derby. How is Chester Wimplefilter going to get out of the derby? Looks like Miss Fritter has entered. Dun dun dun. Oh, she looks dangerous. Here she comes. The sheriff's had it. She's coming around again. What's Lightning McQueen gonna do? He needs to get out. He has to escape over the ramp. He wants to escape, otherwise Miss Fritter will get him. Versus I will catch you, Lightning McQueen. I'm gonna crush you. Oh, Mater to the rescue. An extra large Mater. Mater's coming to protect his friend, Lightning McQueen. Oh. Miss Fritter doesn't want any bit of Mater. Oh, Mater's chasing Miss Fritter out of the derby. Mater wins! Lots of things to crash in the derby. That's what a derby's about. Destruction. We're gonna put her in here too. Miss Fritter can come in here. Where is Chester Wimplefilter? Perfect. And Mater's joining in. Extra large Mater. Giant size. Miss Fritter has a lot of detail. Look at all this. Pretty cool. The license plates of all of her victims. Will she add Lightning McQueen as Chester Wimplefilter to her collection of license plates? Oh, only time will tell. She looks pretty rough.
Oh, cool. Release. Let it go.
Here she comes.
Just chaos.
Too much chaos. Wow.